back to machine era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
More playing around. This stump grinder chews through a chunk of wood the size of a kitchen table with terrifying ease. It's raw, focused destruction. Hardwood never stood a chance. Precision meets power. The FAEDML/HI on the Kubota KX80 chews through overgrown brush and young trees with surgical ease. Designed for excavators up to 10 tons, this head brings both muscle and finesse, a true specialist for compact work zones. This isn't just smart engineering, it's mastery. One adjustment, and your wood splitter becomes a saw. One tool, two jobs, zero wasted time. Like a Swiss Army knife forged for the forest, tough, compact, ready for anything. At 25 RPM, this machine doesn't rush, it dominates. With zero kickback and built-in metal separation, it's built for control in chaos. Add in wide 800 tracks for grip on soft ground, and what you get isn't just a mulcher, it's a ground-level predator designed for safety, strength, and relentless output. Precision meets raw force. The Denuser 16 spirals into tough hardwood, carves out its core, and takes the struggle out of stump removal. It's not brute strength alone. It's engineered efficiency at work.
So cool. It's like making veneer. I love it. My brother-in-law likes it, and I like the veneer.
Beneath that silent, flawless layer of white lies the unknown. Snow turns the familiar into mystery, and even experts tread carefully. Out here, one mistake could cost you.
Yeah.
Innovation meets simplicity. This motor-powered saw doesn't just cut wood, it redefines efficiency. Repurposed tech, built for real work, slicing through hardwood like it isn't even there. At storm in a busy world. This machine's whisper-quiet operation ensures you get the job done without making waves. Whether in tight spaces or residential areas, it's the MVP of silent power. Let us know if you've seen it in action. Time seems to pause as the Vermeer 222 dissects the stubborn oak stump effortlessly. What once stood firm for decades now crumbles into mulch in seconds. That's not noise, it's mechanical poetry. This isn't brute force, this is refined power. The Nisela 555C, with its gold finger cutter, slices through timber like silk, clean, smart, and effortless. Every movement is calculated, every grip is instinct. a machine with the mind of a forester. Tree didn't fall wrong. It fell wild. Nature doesn't follow scripts, and every fall is a reminder that we're working with a force much older, much stronger than us. No more backbreaking labor, just smooth control as this machine reclaims the land root by root. Efficiency, power, and grace, all in one unstoppable package. Safety, performance, control. The Rayco. AT-71 isn't just a machine, it's a trusted partner in the trees. For those who take their work seriously, this is the one. From the first cut to the last polish, the Hapfo doesn't just copy, it honors every detail. A machine built not just for speed, but for beauty, precision, and timeless woodcraft.
watching until the end of the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.